Hello everyone, this is a basic orientation to Microsoft Excel. Very powerful program, can be used for many things. This one's just going to go over some of the basic layout and formatting. So first thing I'm going to do here is make it so that you can see what I'm doing. And to do that, I'm just going to go to View, Zoom. Let's try 200%. Now you can see. All right, Excel is made up of a series of cells, and we have rows. They're labeled A, B, C, D, and so on. And I'm sorry, that was backwards. Columns A, B, C, D, E, and so on. And rows one through I don't remember what the highest number is yet, but so numbered rows, lettered columns. And so we can change the size of these columns and rows just by dragging like that, or dragging like that, and we can change that size like that, or go back, too far, zoom. Or we can, let's say we want to make it, okay, we put some stuff in that cell, put some stuff in this cell, and let's say we want to make it fit. We just double click right there and it fits. Double click right there, make it fit. Now what if we don't want to do that? Maybe we want to keep all the columns the same width. We can resize those real quick. Just click on that. You can see it says 0.90 inches there, and I can adjust the column width, put 0.9, enter, changes it all back. Now maybe I want to fit all this information vertically. What I can do there is now I can select this, or I can even select the whole column, and I can go up here where it says wrap text and hit wrap text. And there, it increases the height instead of the width. Same thing over here, wrap text. There we go. Now that stuff doesn't make any sense, so I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that. And now I'm back to where I started. So now one of the other things, if you'll notice up here in this drop box, each cell has a format. Let's put it in a date here for 22/2014. Okay, that looks like a date, and look, Excel recognized that as a date and changed it to a date format. All the other cells are labeled general. What if I don't want that format? I can go up to Format Cells, and I can change to a number of different date formats. So there we go. Oh, I clicked too many times. Format Cells. Okay. Don't click. There we go. And now we have that date format. What if I want to change it again? Let's change it to a different kind of format. Maybe I just want, there we go. So I can change formats easily after the date is already entered. Now, what if I don't want a date? Maybe I call it a number. So that date equal, I don't know why it converts that number, but it does. But see, I have 2 decimal places there. I can change those decimal places by just clicking these arrows. Or if you're familiar with scientific numbers, I can change it to scientific. And how this is read is 4.18 times 10 to the power of 4. Or if I had and I could change that to scientific, and it'll tell me 3.40 times 10 to the minus 6. Okay, let's get rid of all that stuff right now. And that changed my cell back to 0.9. Okay, we can also let's use Excel to make tables, and I'm going to make a table here. Number 1, number 2, and we're going to go add, subtract, multiply. Power. Okay. Now something neat here is I can select all these cells and I can change the formatting of them all together. Let's do a nice blue color, and I can center all the text just like that, and I can add some border around them just like that. Now and so I can put in a number, let's see, 4 here, 2 here. And again, I can center that. And that's the beginnings of a table. And in the next video, I'm going to talk about formulas. And as you might guess, I'm going to add here, subtract here, multiply, divide, place something to the power, and then a square root. And if you want to see how that's done, tune into the next video. Thanks a lot.